Okay, folks, so a repeat offender in Las Cruces who police say has a history of violent crimes, he's striking again, but this time severely injuring a man. So Julia Spencer in the studio tonight. Julia, what can you tell us exactly about this attack?
Well, the man we just saw on our screen there, that was the victim of that attack. You know, his name is Michael Ruiz, and he was driving in his truck one day, and an incident happened, and he ended up in the hospital because another man attacked him. You know, another man hit him on the head, you know, causing him with serious brain injuries, putting him in the hospital. And we even spoke with the sister of Michael, who explained what led up to this attack. Go ahead and take a listen to what she had to say.
He was just driving down Picacho. All of a sudden, a big rock hit his truck, and Shane went up to him and was brandishing a folded saw, and threatened my brother and said, "I'm gonna cut you. I'm gonna kill you."
So Julia, I know you also heard from the chief of police over in Las Cruces. What is he talking about? How does he feel about this?
So he knows that Shane Jones, that's the attacker, that's the attacker's name, he confirmed with us that he has a long history of violent crimes. Not only in New Mexico, but Chief Story confirmed that he has a criminal history in Texas, as well as Colorado. So this man, according to Chief Story, he says that he keeps getting arrested, but released over and over again. However, because he keeps getting released, it's because the courts found him incompetent. Now, Chief Story says this is a big failure on the entire criminal justice system, and it's something that he wants to prioritize fixing.
Okay,
go ahead.
He's a poster child for the systemic issues with our criminal justice system, especially related to pretrial detention and competency. But it's the way our system is built. It's release, 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 with rare exception.
Now, Chief Story has said that in the past, that he plans on making changes to the criminal justice system. Now, it starts off with the 2016 bail reform that was passed by voters almost 10 years ago. Now, that reform changed the way the criminal legal system works in New Mexico. So voters chose to get rid of the cash bail system completely. So what that means essentially is that someone who is arrested, it's now up to the judges on whether or not that person should be held in jail. So in this case, like what we just discussed, Shane Jones, he was released many times because the court found him incompetent, and ultimately he ended up just repeating more crimes later down the road. Now, Chief Story says he's been communicating with the new district attorney in Las Cruces, hoping to make this change in the criminal justice system.
Got it. Perfect. Thanks so much. We appreciate your time.
Yeah, of course. Thank you, Nisaiah.